So we on my boat. We actually at South River. Actually, Terry's cousin lives over that way. We out with Sean.
Hey!
Erica's driving. Marcus, my son-in-law. And fishing buddy. Right now we kind of obeying the 6 miles an hour. But in a minute, this is my boat. 25-foot Sea Fox. 2 Yamaha center console. And right now, once we pass these markers, she's gonna be getting ready to rock and roll. So we enjoying our holiday. This is Labor Day. Terry told me how to remember it. She says you can remember because Memorial Day comes in May and both have a M. She says, so you can remember. So I say, well then, if Labor Day, is it Laptober then? Alright, Erica, don't hit nothing. Push them all the way down and hold them down till it levels out.
Push them all the way down.
All the way. Hold them down till it levels out. Push them all the way. All the way.